I can't seem to manifest my desires. It's a question that I get from a lot of people. Why is that? Why can't I seem to manifest what I truly desire? Hey guys, it's Chris Lemig. I'm a hypnotherapist, author, and spiritual educator, and I teach a workshop program called Gateway to the Limitless, where I teach you how to release the blocks of shame, guilt, and self-doubt so that you can connect with your higher self and thereby just get in touch with that true essence of your being and just open up a whole realm of possibilities for you to begin manifesting the life that you truly want. So why is it that we're not able to manifest what we truly desire? Well, one of the things that I encourage people to examine is, are you really wanting that thing or that situation or that result that you claim to desire? Is that your true desire? If we're not connected with our true self, with our higher self, we're likely to actually be kind of wanting and desiring things that may not be in alignment with who we truly are. We might think that we want a big house and a fancy car and a speedboat and all this sort of these symbols of wealth, but that might not be in alignment with our true self. There might be something far more greater and more satisfying and more fulfilling than that we truly want. So what I recommend for everybody that I work with is to really focus your energy on getting in touch with that higher self, right? That pure essence of your being. And the best way to do that is through meditation and just getting into a quiet place and starting to turn your attention towards your higher self. Your higher self is always with you. It's always been with you. It's always loving, supporting, and guiding you. In fact, everything that we experience in our lives is a direct message of love and support from our higher self. It's just simply a matter of, are we recognizing it moment to moment? So when we get into a state of focused awareness where we're focusing within ourselves and we're invoking and calling upon that loving, healing power of our higher self to guide us and to kind of show us what are the next steps for us to take, what are the best next steps for us to take in our life, what can we do to enhance our spiritual development and growth, what are our true desires, what is it that we truly want. Our life starts to open up in a way that is almost unimaginable to our previous ordinary way of thinking. So what I'm going to suggest to you today is just go ahead and go back into my library and find those higher self guided meditations. Sometimes I call them hypnosis sessions, hypnosis, guided meditation. They're both about the same. They're really the same thing. Check out one of those higher self guided meditations that resonates with you. Give it a listen. Start to practice getting in touch with your higher self. Start to ask your higher self the direct question, what is my true desire? What is it that I truly want? And just be open to the possibility that it might be something that you didn't expect. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Again, this is Chris Lemig here. Please like and subscribe to my channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel and all that jazz. Stay tuned for more great content, more guided meditations, more information, and of course more information about my workshop, my 3-day workshop, Gateway to the Limitless.